Hey gamers and power users! Today, we're taking a deep dive into MSI's futuristic beast, the MSI Cyborg 15 B2RWFKG. It's sleek, powerful, and built to take on AAA titles and multitasking without breaking a sweat. Let's see what this machine is all about. The heart of the Cyborg 15 is the Intel Core 7 240H, a 10-core, 16-thread processor that can boost up to 5.2 GHz. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing 4K videos, this CPU has your back with smooth, lag-free performance. Paired with a 1TB NVMe SSD and 16GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 4800 MHz, everything from boot times to game loading is lightning fast. Say goodbye to bottlenecks and hello to seamless multitasking. Now let's talk graphics. The Cyborg 15 comes equipped with an 8GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU. That means high frame rates, smooth gameplay, and jaw-dropping ray tracing in supported games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Alan Wake 2. 120-watt power adapter. For cell 55.2 Ah battery. Asus backpack. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS level display with a 144Hz refresh rate offers buttery smooth visuals, perfect for competitive gaming. Whether it's FPS, racing, or MOBAs, you'll love the fluidity. And with a healthy I/O selection including USB-C with DisplayPort and power delivery, HDMI 2.1, and RJ45, you're covered. You're also getting high-res audio, DTS processing, and Bluetooth 5.3, so whether you're wired in or going wireless, you're set for immersive sound. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6E, you get ultra-low latency for online gaming. The design? Futuristic. The 4-zone RGB keyboard with a Copilot key gives it a cyberpunk vibe, while the translucent black chassis adds a premium touch.